Welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. If you still haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it. Today in this video, we'll show about how to unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. So first, open the Instagram app and check your followings. Open the account which you have to unfollow. Now go to the profile and refresh it. Here you can see that my followings are 270. Now go to home screen and launch the App Store. Now I'll open the App Store. Next, go to search and search for cleaner for ins. The app's link is given in the description, so you can direct install from there. You can see the app Cleaner for Ins which have beans icon. Now tap on Get to install it. Enter your touch ID if prompted. Wait for install it. After installing the app, open app. Here you have to log in with your Insta account. Enter your username. Enter the username account from which you have to unfollow. Next, enter the password. Now wait for login and then read the terms and conditions. Then tap done. Here you can see your followings. Scrolling down and see all the account which you following. Next, tap on second icon followers to see your followers. Tap on third icon to see your liked post. Tap on fourth to see your post. Now we will go to following to unfollow the accounts. Now here select the accounts which you have to unfollow. Also you can select multiple accounts. Now here I'll select 25 accounts. After selecting your accounts, tap on Action which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Next tap on Unfollow. Next tap on OK to confirm it. Now wait for the process and then go to Instagram and check. Don't forget to like the video. Process is continuing. Now go to the home and open Instagram. Now I am refreshing it. You can see that my followings are 25 decreased.